expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Gold. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, Nash County, Sampson County, southeastern Wake County, Johnston County, Wilson County, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wake Forest to 9 miles northeast of Smithfield to 7 miles south of Clinton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Rocky Mount, Goldsboro, Smithfield, Clinton, Nashville, Wilson, Garner, and Fuquay-Varina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Johnston, Nash, Sampson, Wake, Wayne, and Wilson.